Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Adalo app data and exported project files. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your Adalo app data and exported project files, start by logging into your Adalo account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where your projects are listed. Select the specific app you wish to backup. On the app overview page, look for the settings menu, typically represented by a gear icon. Click on the Settings menu to open your app settings. Scroll down to find the Export option within the settings. Click on the Export button. This action will prepare your app data and project files for download. Wait for the export process to complete. A notification will appear once it's ready. Once you receive the notification, click on the download link provided. The exported project files will download as a zip file to your computer. Next, locate the downloaded zip file in your computer's Downloads folder. Create a backup folder on your computer or external storage device. Move or copy the zip file into this backup folder. To ensure the data is safely stored, consider additional backup methods. You might upload the backup folder to a cloud storage service for extra security. Regularly backup your app data to avoid losing any updates or changes. That's it. You've successfully backed up your Adalo app data and project files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.